Do you want to speak English every day in a simple and natural way? The easiest topic to practice is your daily routine, because you already know your life. You just need the English words. Imagine you are talking about your day, slowly and clearly. My day starts in the morning when I wake up and open my eyes. I look at the clock and see the time. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I know I need to start my day. I sit on my bed and take a deep breath. The room is quiet and calm. I stand up and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cool water. The water makes me feel fresh and awake. I look in the mirror and smile, because a new day is a new chance. After that, I go back to my room and choose my clothes. Sometimes I wear simple clothes like a t-shirt and jeans because they are comfortable. I change my clothes and get ready. Then I go to the kitchen because I feel hungry. Breakfast is my first meal of the day, and it gives me energy. I make something easy like bread, eggs, or fruit. I also make tea or coffee because I like a warm drink in the morning. I sit at the table and eat slowly. While I eat, I think about my plans and what I need to do. After breakfast, I clean the table and wash the dishes because I like a clean space. Then I check my phone for messages or the time. Now my morning is almost finished, and I am ready to start my work or study. During the day, I stay busy. If I am a student, I go to my classes and listen to my teachers. I take notes and try to understand the lesson. If I work, I focus on my tasks and do my best. I sometimes talk to friends or coworkers, and we share ideas. When I feel tired, I take a short break and relax for a few minutes. I may drink water or walk a little because it helps my body feel better. At lunchtime, I eat another meal. Lunch is usually simple, but it gives me energy for the rest of the day. I sit and enjoy my food, and sometimes I talk with people around me. After lunch, I continue my activities. The afternoon is a time to finish important things. I try to stay focused and positive. Sometimes I listen to music while I work because it makes me feel relaxed. When the day is busy, time passes very fast, and suddenly it is evening. In the evening, I slow down and relax more. I return home and take a rest because I feel tired after a long day. I may change into comfortable clothes and sit for a while. Sometimes I watch TV or use my phone. Sometimes I talk with my family and we share our day. Dinner is another important moment because it is a time to eat and relax. I enjoy my dinner and take my time. After dinner, I like to do something calm, like reading, listening to music, or thinking about my goals. I also prepare for tomorrow by planning what I will do. Planning helps me feel organized and less stressed. At night, I get ready to sleep. I brush my teeth again and wash my face. I turn off the lights and lie in my bed. The room becomes quiet and peaceful. I think about my day and remember the good moments. I feel thankful for my life and the small things around me. Slowly, I close my eyes and fall asleep. My daily routine is simple, but it is important because it gives structure to my life. Every day is not perfect, but every day is a chance to learn and grow. By talking about my daily routine in English, I practice speaking and become more confident. Small sentences every day can create big progress, and step by step, my English
I notice
becomes
that
better
small
and
habits
stronger.
make my day easier and more organized. After I wake up and start my morning, I try to keep a positive mindset because it helps me stay motivated. Sometimes I stretch my body for a few minutes because it makes me feel active and ready. When I start my work or study, I like to set small goals so I can finish tasks step by step. Finishing small tasks makes me feel proud and keeps me focused. During the day, I also try to drink enough water because it keeps my body healthy and my mind clear. When I have free time, I like to do simple activities that make me happy. Sometimes I listen to music and relax. Sometimes I watch short videos or read something interesting. These small breaks help me feel less tired and more refreshed. If I feel stressed, I take a deep breath and remind myself that it is okay to move slowly. Life is not a race, and learning happens step by step. In the afternoon, I often feel a little tired, so I try to stay active. I may walk a little, stretch, or just stand up for a moment. Movement gives me new energy. If I have more tasks, I finish them one by one. I feel satisfied when I complete my work because it means I used my time well. When the sun starts to go down, I feel calm because the busy part of the day is ending. Evening is my favorite time because it feels peaceful. I can relax and think about myself. Sometimes I spend time with family or friends and we talk about our day. Talking with people makes me feel connected and happy. If I am alone, I still enjoy quiet moments because they help me think clearly. I may watch something interesting or learn something new. Before bedtime, I like to slow down and avoid busy activities. I prepare my things for the next day so my morning will be easier. Preparation saves time and reduces stress. I also think about what I learned today. Even small lessons are important because they help me grow. Gratitude is also part of my night routine. I try to remember one good thing from the day because it makes me feel positive. When I finally go to bed, I feel relaxed and ready to rest. Sleep is important because it gives my body and mind new energy. While I lie in bed, I sometimes think about my dreams and future goals. These thoughts inspire me and give me hope. Slowly, my eyes close and I fall asleep, ending my day peacefully. My daily routine may sound simple, but it is full of small moments that matter. Every morning is a new beginning. Every afternoon is a chance to continue, and every night is a time to rest and reflect. By describing my routine in English, I practice speaking in a natural way. This practice helps me build confidence because I talk about real life. When I repeat these sentences, speaking becomes easier and more comfortable. Over time, I notice progress. I can speak a little faster. I remember more words and I feel less nervous. The secret is consistency. Doing a little practice every day is better than doing a lot only once. My daily routine is not just about activities. It is also a way to improve myself step by step. And with each new day, I get another chance to learn, practice, and become better than yesterday. Subscribe. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.